The 2026 Caterpillar D8 is a bold testament to CAT's enduring legacy of durability, power, and performance. In this latest iteration, Caterpillar blends decades of innovation with cutting-edge technology, offering a machine that not only gets the job done, but does it smarter, faster, and more efficiently. The D8 has always stood as a symbol of unrelenting strength in harsh environments, and the 2026 model takes this reputation to new heights. Built for heavy-duty, earth-moving, mining, and large-scale construction tasks, the D8 2026 delivers massive, pushing power with enhanced operator control and lower overall costs. Under the hood, the D8 2026 is powered by the latest generation CAT C15 engine, refined for both power and emissions compliance. Producing an estimated 354 net horsepower, this engine is engineered for maximum torque and fuel efficiency. It meets the most stringent global emission standards while delivering the power required for the most demanding conditions. With improved fuel burn rates and advanced hydraulic systems, the D8 sets a new benchmark for productivity in the large dozer category. Asterisk, operators will notice the difference the moment they step into the cabin. Caterpillar has revolutionized the operator experience with a redesigned cab that boasts a fully integrated digital interface, enhanced visibility, reduced noise, and intuitive joystick controls. The 10-inch touchscreen display is now standard, offering customizable operator profiles, real-time performance tracking, and diagnostics. The seat is fully adjustable with climate control and vibration damping, significantly reducing fatigue over long work shifts. Combined with improved sightlines and new high-definition rear-view and side cameras, the operator is more aware and in control than ever before. One of the standout features in the 2026 D8 is the latest CAT Assist technology suite. This includes Auto Carry, Auto Rip, and Grade, with 3D all designed to help less experienced operators perform with near-expert precision. These features automatically adjust blade lift, angle, and tilt to optimize material movement and reduce fuel use and track slip. The result is not just better performance, but also less wear on undercarriage components, contributing to the machine's longevity and lower total cost of ownership. Asterisk for contractors looking to maximize uptime and streamline fleet management. Caterpillar offers the D8 with full CAT Product Link Elite integration. This telematics platform sends real-time data on machine health, fuel usage, and location directly to a cloud dashboard or mobile app. Downtime is minimized thanks to predictive maintenance alerts and remote troubleshooting features. CAT also offers its groundbreaking remote flash and remote troubleshoot capabilities, which allow dealers to push software updates or diagnose issues without the machine ever leaving the job site. From a design standpoint, the 2026 D8 adopts a more modern, aggressive aesthetic, with reinforced chassis components, a steeper sloped hood for improved forward visibility, and new LED lighting systems for enhanced low-light operation. The standard ripper and blade assemblies are now reinforced with high-tensile steel, offering better resistance to flex and fatigue during extreme operations. The optional Performance Series blade increases capacity by up to 25% without any loss in control or efficiency. Asterisk undercarriage improvements have been significant as well. The D8 now includes a next-generation elevated sprocket design that improves center of gravity, reduces shock loads, and allows for easier maintenance access. A new auto lubrication system keeps track components in optimal condition longer, while updated track roller guards provide superior debris ejection in muddy or rocky conditions. These refinements not only enhance reliability but also extend the service life of critical components. In terms of safety, the 2026 D8 includes several new features. The operator presence system prevents unintended machine movement if the seatbelt is unbuckled or the operator leaves the seat. Enhanced e-stop access points, ground-level serviceability, and integrated fire suppression systems are now available as part of Caterpillar's expanded safety suite. LED perimeter lights, backup alarms, and high-visibility decals ensure the D8 remains visible and safe to operate. Even on the busiest job sites, asterisk, despite its size and power, the D8 is surprisingly maneuverable. Thanks to a tighter turning radius, improved steering response, and a new differential steering system, it delivers better control in confined spaces without sacrificing blade power. Whether working on slopes, pushing heavy loads, or performing fine grading, the D8 adapts seamlessly to the operator's intent. This is especially valuable in applications like land clearing, quarry operations, and oil and gas pad construction, where both brute strength and precision are required. Caterpillar has also worked to make ownership and maintenance easier than ever. The modular component layout allows for faster part replacement, while ground-level service ports and diagnostics access reduce service time. The updated cooling package is easier to clean and maintain, and filters are grouped for quicker swaps. These features all contribute to lowering total lifecycle costs and maximizing machine availability. Sustainability. has not been overlooked in the 2026 update. The Cat C15 engine is not only more fuel efficient but also compatible with renewable diesel, reducing carbon impact without requiring any hardware modifications. Eco modes and operator coaching tools further help reduce unnecessary fuel consumption. During operation, Caterpillar's commitment to sustainability is also evident in the D8's extended service intervals and recyclable material use throughout its construction. For buyers looking for flexibility, the 2026 D8 is available with multiple blade and ripper configurations, GPS, laser readiness, cold weather packages, and even a low ground pressure variant for working on soft or unstable terrain. This level of customization means contractors can order a machine that fits their exact operational requirements without compromise. Overall, the Caterpillar D8 2026 is a machine that represents the pinnacle of Dozer engineering, combining raw power with advanced control, robust construction with refined comfort, and traditional reliability with futuristic innovation. Whether you're working in the harshest mining environments or shaping the future of infrastructure, the D8 is built to lead. With better fuel efficiency, lower emissions, smarter technology, and increased safety, it's not just a next-generation job site partner. In an age where productivity, sustainability, and performance are more important than ever, the 2026 Caterpillar D8 stands tall as the ultimate earth-moving solution.